Hello all. Hello all. Wanted to put together a quick video on using WebEx on your computer. In this case, it is a Mac OS computer, an Apple, but it's going to work pretty similarly on everything as it's a web-based product. So first thing you're going to do is open up a web browser. Now I should say the best way to use WebEx is on a machine that has built-in webcam, camera, and a microphone. So basically any laptop made in the last 8 years. But if you don't have that, I did share another video about using it on your smartphone, which may be helpful to some people. So here you go. Go to a web browser, and you're going to go to uichicago.webex.com. That address will get you there to do literally everything you need. From there, you click Sign In. It will take you to this standard UIC login page that you're all used to. And you have to type in your password correctly and find yourself in WebEx itself. Now, once you're in WebEx, there's a few things you can do. You can view your meetings that you need to be a part of. You can schedule new meetings. You could start an immediate meeting. Those are the major things. There's other preferences and whatnot, but in the interest of keeping this simple, those are really the things you're going to want to do. This is some repeat from the video about using it on your phone, but your personal room is what you go to if you start a meeting immediately. It's great use for talking to a few people and just kicking off a meeting in a second. You can always tell people to go to this very same URL always. uichicago.webex.com/meet/yournetid. And that's going to put them in your personal room. So if you've started the meeting, off you go. The other major thing that people want to do is schedule a meeting. And I think it's a lot easier from here than from doing it in the app on your phone. But that may be up to you. When you go into scheduling, type the topic. Let's call this one topic. I don't really need to change the password or this. Right here is where you set when it's happening. Simple calendar interface. Tomorrow, say 3:30 for an hour. Time zone doesn't matter. You can set up recurring meetings. So as I've set up my staff meetings, those are reoccurring. So the address and the URL that people click to join never changes. So you can do recurrence the same way you would on a calendar, weekly, daily, monthly, whatever it may be. And you can invite people here. I don't always think it's the easiest way to do it, especially if you're inviting a lot of people. But if it's just one, you could type in, good friend Bob at bob.com, and he can be invited to the meeting. The advanced options, I don't anticipate anyone really needing to touch, but go ahead and look at them. You're not going to break anything. After you schedule this meeting, it will then take you to this screen, and that shows the confirmation of everything. You're not going to start it yet because it's tomorrow, but what this puts you in a place is you can copy, you can edit it, you can cancel it, or you can add it to your calendar, which may be necessary if you're keeping track of things that way. The most common thing is to just copy it, and what you're copying is this invitation. And so then if you open up a new email message, as I've done here, you can just paste that information straight into there. That could be in an email, that could be in a calendar invitation, whatever you want. It's the easiest way. People get the web address right here to join it. And for those people who have to use the phone to get involved, they can do that down here. Then send your email like you would to anyone else. Send it off, and off you go. I'll put together one more video about actually being in WebEx and how you make sure to use your audio controls correctly. Thanks all.